Alright, welcome to my channel, and I'm just going to jump into this right off the bat. I am trying to go ahead and complete an entire set of Darkness Ablaze. I've already opened up one box. My case came in today, and I'll be going ahead and trying to complete as much as I can. So far, so good. And this is so far what I have. I think this is just energies, yes. So that's what we have so far. And right into it. Let's see if we do 2 from the front, 2 from the back. We'll do it that way. Ended up with all 4 pack arts. Now we're right to it. I don't care for doing all that pack stuff. We already seen every card in this entire set on every other video. Like I said, I'm just here to get the actual sets. And that's a card we need, that's for sure. And another card we need. So that is pretty much it on the cards we need. Charizard for the win. God, I really hate how they package these new ones. Props to all other YouTubers. Jesus, holding my hands up like this is definitely gonna be a workout. And we have our, oh, we need that one too. And that one. Looking for more electric type though. Alright. Same again, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. Charizard to start it off. Kinda wish my GoPro would give me a view though. I don't know if I'm actually getting this on film or not. Which would suck if I'm getting half of what I'm getting, but I kinda feel like I'm getting it. And, oh, we need that one. And I believe I have that one already. Make sure we don't get anything else. Nope. Oh, we need that one. That's for sure. I believe I have that one. And any more electric? No electric. Definitely want to put my arms down. Holding them up like that is ridiculous. I can see why Lionheart has such big arms. Shout out to Lionheart, that is an awesome guy to watch. And I believe I have that one. I need this one actually because I have the reverse. Alright, this will definitely be a workout. I'm definitely going to turn on the AC in here. Say, oh, sweet, I need that one. I also need it as a rare as well. Getting a lot of cards that I need, that's for sure. Pile of them not cooperating. There's probably a bazillion of these videos on the internet here. So oh, I need that one and that one. Okay, that's pretty much all I needed out of those. A lot of the rare and reverse rares are the ones I need. So I'm kind of glad to get those as well as full arts. I have that. I don't have that. That's awesome. I'm looking for electric type though. For some reason they were scarce in my last openings. And I believe I need him. Yes, I have the... Oh, and I need Tyranitar. I'm not sure about him. I'll make sure I put him off to the side though. Will this be the Charizard? The Charizard vmax? We'll find out here in a second. And no, but it's a card I need, that's for sure. I need different electric types though. And one of the quickest openings there probably is on the internet right now. Oh shit. But that's what I'm saying. I'm here to adventure on to just getting what I need. Ah, I need both of those. This is beautiful. And I might need him. Go Charizard. It was an easy pack to open. Jeez, that was effortless. What do we got here? Oh, I need that. I'm not sure if I need that. I'm going to put that to the side though. Oh, I need that. So far, plenty of the common, so the non-hollows are going to be completed really fast. I do need that. I don't need that. There's the... I got another one. Now if we could just get a reverse hollow, that'd be nice too. What do we get here? I have that. Muck? Oh, I need that. Alright. Now it's time to get into the goodies. This is where we're deep into the box. A pile of stuff over there. What do we get here? And I don't think I need that, but I'll check. Familiar Bell. I think I have that one. And T-Bot, I need that. So this whole entire series is just basically how many boxes do you have to go through to actually get an entire master set? That's what I'm curious on. I really don't want to buy more than 2 cases. That would be nice, but I highly doubt that's going to happen that way. Oh sweet, I need him. And I need him. That was the reverse rare. That's nice, always nice to get. Here we go, right here. Charizard VMAX. Okay. No, actually, that's what's up. I need him as well. I have that one. I wish I can get more electric type, because I'm really missing a bunch of them. Oh, Charizard for the win. Honestly, I'd really like to get a bunch of the gold cards out of the way right off the bat. Charizard doesn't seem to be that hard to pull. Oh, I do need that. And I think I have him. What other electric type is there? Oh, I need that one. Oh, did I? No. Mr. Rhyme is what I need in non-reverse hollow. Here, piles and piles. I'm going to end this at 1 box. Oh, sweet. I believe I have 3 of those now. And I need that reverse hollow. So the purpose of getting every reverse hollow is to complete the master set. I'm not sure if anybody else knows that, but I'm pretty sure it's prominently known. And there we go. Another one. So this is the third one I've pulled so far. I sound so enthusiastic to pull that card. But yeah, when you see it a couple of times, you pretty much are like, oh, that's not going to work for me. I got the vmax out of this box. Let's see if we can pull another vmax, aka charizard. I have that. I have all those. Oh, sweet. I needed that guy. And I believe that was it. Yep. What do we have here? I think, yes, I do have him. And I need that one. See what I'm saying on this electric type stuff? This is interesting. It's very scarce. Even on commons and uncommons. I believe I have all these ones. But again, no electric type Pokemon. Down to the last, what is that, 8 packs? Will we pull a gold one out of this one? Is there a Charizard VMAX in here? Oh, I need him though. I think I have him reverse. I will put it off to the side. I have that one. No, that was, I do need Kangaskhan though. And I believe I do need that one. Oh yes, I need him. Electric type maybe? There we go. Down to the center of the box. Oh sweet, got the other one of that. That is a sweet little find. I think I need that one too. I think that was 2 ultra rares. 3 ultra rares. Oh look, a Charizard. Very nice. I have him already though. I need her. So this was the Charizard box instead of the VMAX box. Unless these last 2 packs hold it. Huh, that's a duplicate. I'll take it though. I think I have. I'll check. Electric type maybe? Let's get an electric type star card right here. At least. Nope. No reverse needed. Alright. And that's it. So, there we go. And I will edit more. So I need to put these in there. I believe.
You cannot put your phone here, like just so you can quickly glance.
No.
See how the viewers.
I know that. I don't know why it wants to just not let me view.
While you record.
Yeah.